Hey everybody, and welcome to the Complete Football Analytics in Python course. So this is the course that I've been hosting just over on my website for the past 2 years. And it's the course that I basically made because there was a large gap in between the coding knowledge and the bringing the football knowledge together. And so I made the course, and I've been charging for it over the past couple of years, but today I'm going to release it on YouTube, so it is absolutely free, and you can watch it for free here just in my YouTube channel and on the different playlists. The reason why I'm doing this, there's a couple of reasons. The first one is I just don't have the same time that I had 2.5 years ago when I made the course to maintain it and to actually keep answering all the questions that I was getting. So I decided to, back in November, I kind of stepped away from it and I lowered the price. And now, just like 2 weeks ago, I basically made it free on my website. And then I just decided that, hey, I'll just move over here to YouTube. So you're going to get over here on YouTube. And then the second reason is because of how fast coding has changed in the past 3 months. I mean, ever since probably beginning of December, AI coding has completely changed how coding works and how you're actually developing. And maybe it's not hitting everybody as hard as it is as maybe just some of the people like me who are terminally online. But the truth is that coding has completely changed and my coding practices have completely changed. And so when I made this course, AI coding was not really a thing. Like, we had ChatGPT, you could go over to ChatGPT, ask it questions, copy, paste. But now tools like Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, and then just all these different things that are coming out, they're doing probably right now about 95 to 100, I'd honestly probably 100% of my coding at my day job. As a software engineer, I am basically just outputting all the code writing and having these AI models write all my code, and I am more involved in the thinking, design, schemas, testing, and it's just completely changed. And the course, in my opinion, still has really valid content, especially if you're trying to, learn the fundamentals of Python, or if you are interested in how to take the Python fundamentals and apply those to soccer, football. Maybe in the future, I'll kind of make some more educational content on AI coding, and because it's just such a new concept. I mean, I've been using Claude Code since it came out, I think like last May or something. So it's been like 9 months or so. So I've been using Claude Code for that long. And even those 9 months has completely changed how I work, even over the past couple days or weeks, right? We've seen things like, at the time of the recording, we've seen things like ClaudeBot, we've seen background agents. We've seen all these different things that are coming out, and it's just completely changing. And so that is kind of why I'm releasing it to the internet, and I really hope you enjoy the course. A lot of people love the course. Some of it might be a little outdated when it comes to like the web scraping, for example, but you should still be able to get a lot of the core pieces out of it. And especially if you know a little bit of Python, the course will be a lot easier for you. So that is it, and I really hope you enjoy the course, and I hope to see you soon.